So we're here on the Trail Ridge Road. This is, I don't know if we're actually officially on the Trail Ridge Road, are we? Well, that's where we're heading. So if this is not an overlook to the Trail Ridge Road, I apologize. There'll be plenty more of those later. But this is some beautiful scenery we wanted to start off with and let you know that is what we're planning on doing. We're gonna go up the road. There's the bugling out. We're gonna go up the road, 12,000 feet of elevation. So it is gonna be really high up there. It's actually the highest highway in America. So that's also really cool. And we'll be all seeing that in this video. So the goal today on Trail Ridge Road is to go see all the overlooks. I don't know if we'll hit every single one of them necessarily, but we're gonna just definitely hit a bunch of them once we get really high up there and get grand views of Rocky Mountain. You can see all the roads that we just came up. We are also now officially over 2 miles above sea level. Right down there is the place that we first saw all those elk. They were bugling in the field, calling. And then the road that we came all the way up here on as well. If you'll be able to hear this or not because it's super windy, but this is the road that we just came on and we're right on the edge of a cliff over 10,000 feet up and we still got more to go. Look, we just see something digging. What's it gonna be?
I'm scared now.
Yeah, I think we scared it. I'm having to hold my hat so it doesn't blow away. All right, we are now up over 11,000 feet. We still have a little bit more ways to go, and the wind is picking up here, obviously, and it is freezing up here. Since it's so cold, we're gonna run back to the car. So let's go. Come on, guys, let's run. Run, run, run. Get back to the car tomorrow. These ones, but there are other ones.
Guys, look at this.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're going up on
That is so cool.
Goodbye.
All right, we are now over 12,000 feet. We still have more to go, but we are now at the 12-foot marker, so that's a pretty big accomplishment already. And we are now on a trail to go see Mushroom Rocks. So it's a lot warmer here, I guess maybe because of the rocks. We're not as exposed, but I am definitely feeling the elevation gain. Air is definitely thinner now. Wind is just coming right out through here. We're gonna get blown away. There it is, Mushroom Rock.
You can't stay on the trail because there isn't.
Now we're here at the lava cliffs. So this is crazy because this is called a squirrel and this is a chipmunk. But all day long yesterday we were calling these things chipmunks because they look just like a chipmunk, but apparently they're squirrels? Is that confusing? We saw one of these on top of the mountain too, but we couldn't get a video because it was way too far away. It just kind of blended in with all the rocks. But these guys are really cute too. So So we just finished with the Alpine Visitor Center. It is a nice visitor center. It gives you a little bit more of understanding of the ecosystem that's up here because it's so unique and different. But also it is a great place to stop and look out the window if you're sick of the wind, because there's obviously no wind and you get a beautiful view. So we're definitely at a lower elevation now at this point. We've gone down significantly. We found a picnic area, so we're gonna do that right now, have a picnic lunch before we continue on. And just a quick reminder, this is also one video in a big series that we're doing called our Dream Trip, where we are going through Colorado, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, so on and so forth. We're just gonna keep going, and it's gonna be amazing, filled with just incredible things that we've never seen before. So definitely stay tuned for that. And Ryan's eating an apple. So we just passed a sign that said that the next 10 miles is a wildlife area, and we are on the western side of the big road that we've been on, so it's very possible that we could see some wildlife now.
No, this is like really